Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queen by Sherell. That's me, the modern day seamstress. So what we have on tap this go round is another custom make for a client who will be attending a Delta Gala next month, October 2024. So the first thing I set out to do was to search for some fabric. So continue watching to see the fabric combination that was selected and what the inspiration for this project is. I hope you enjoy, and you know what to do. Please hit the like button and subscribe. So with my next custom make that I am making for someone, they are going to be attending a Delta Gala towards the end of October. So I've been working on this project now probably for 3 weeks, but the first week we kind of just met and talked about you know, what she wanted, and then we followed up with my ideas for the project, and then that was finalized at that meeting, and we went next door. No, and then I went back a few days later to get the fabric. So like I said, you've already seen the fabric and my materials in my Instagram video. I have already stitched out the lining for the dress bodice part, and so she is going to come this weekend for a fitting, and the fitting will be of the lining bodice as well as the bottom skirt portion of the dress, but that's in the fashion fabric because the lining will not be identical to the dress bottom because it would be too much fabric. I'm just going to do an A-line or semi half circle lining for the bottom portion. So she will actually try on the dress bottom. I just need to make sure, you know, wherever the bodice top stops for the waist, where I attach that in the length. So that's hopefully will happen this Saturday. It will have a rear zipper, and then the last, if this fits and I can cut the fashion fabric bodice top, I will also use this bodice pattern to draft the lace overlay piece. Okay, so that's that. But what I'm about to do now is I am about to switch out the thread on my serger to match my fabric, and it matches this lining fabric spot on, and it matches the fashion fabric fine too. I got this fabric from, this thread from Wawak. They have tons of colors. Wawak used to deliver next day for like $5, and I don't know what happened this time, but it took my stuff a little more than a week to arrive to me, so I'm not quite sure, you know, what's going on. Maybe they were on vacation. So anyway, I'm going to switch out my serger thread, and then I'm going to thread my machine, and that's going to be it because I have physical therapy today in about an hour, and then when I return home I may go ahead and stitch up the skirt bottom, which is just going to consist of me stitching all the panels together and then securing the pleats. And I'm just going to do the pleats, put in temporary pleats just to verify that it will fit. And after the fitting, if the pleat placement is good, then I'll go ahead and finalize the pleats. What you hear in the background now is I have one of the shirts for AME Ebenezer Church. Their health ministry Oxford button-down shirts. One is on the machine, so that's what you hear over there. Okay. So, all right, well, y'all have a wonderful afternoon.